पालक, शिक्षक आणि विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण अभ्यासत आहोत इंग्लिश बोर्ड मार्च 2024 सोडवलेली आदर्श उत्तरपत्रिकेचा पार्ट 2. पालक, शिक्षक आणि विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो नमस्कार. केअर एज्युकेशनल ट्रिक्स या गुणात्मक वाढीसाठी उपयोगी पडणाऱ्या चॅनलवर आपल्या सर्वांचे मनपूर्वक स्वागत. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, गुणात्मक वाढीसाठी आपणास अगोदरचे सर्व व्हिडिओ अभ्यासायचे असतील तर केअर एज्युकेशनल ट्रिक्सच्या लोगोवर क्लिक करा. होम पेज शेजारी असलेल्या व्हिडिओ या ठिकाणी क्लिक करा. आपणास सर्व व्हिडिओचा अभ्यास करता येईल. विषयाप्रमाणे अभ्यास करायचा असेल तर प्लेलिस्टमधील व्हिडिओ अभ्यासा. सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांना पैकीच्या पैकी मार्क मिळावेत ही सदिच्छा. 10वी परीक्षा देणाऱ्या विद्यार्थ्यांना गुणात्मक वाढीसाठी व्हिडिओची लिंक शेअर करा. काही कमेंट्स असतील तर अवश्य कळवा, योग्य मार्गदर्शन केले जाईल. सेक्शन 3 पोएट्री 10 marks. Question 3A. Read the following stanzas and do the activities. 5 marks. A1. Complete the sentences. 2 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Read stanza carefully. Section 3 Poetry 10 marks. Question number 3. नवीन प्रश्न नवीन पानावर सोडवणे. A1. 1. The poet saw a lovely girl on a bus. 2. The poet stopped to buy some sweets. 3. The poet requests God to forgive him. 4. The lovely girl in a bus wore a crutch. Today on a bus, I saw a lovely girl. I stopped to buy some sweets. Oh God, forgive me. She had one leg and wore a crutch. A2. Complete the verb. 2 marks. The lad sold, was, had, seem. The lad sold sweets, was blind, had charm, seemed calm. The lad sold sweets, was blind, had charm, seemed calm. A3. Write 82 pairs of rhyming words from the stanzas. 1 mark. Rhyming words: hair, fair, wine, mine, charm, harm, kind, blind. B. Appreciation of the poem. 5 marks. Read the following poem and write an appreciation of it with the help of the points given below. You start dying slowly. Read poem carefully. Title half mark. Name of the poet half mark. Rhyme scheme 1 mark. Figure of speech any one mark. Theme central idea in 2 to 3 lines 2 marks. Appreciation of the poem. Title You Start Dying Slowly. Name of the poet Pablo Neruda. Rhyme scheme free verse format. Figure of speech antithesis repetition. Theme central idea. The poem revolves around the idea that life must be enjoyed live to the fullest and cherished. It says that we should look for passion, follow our dreams, and take risks to make the most of life. If we don't do that, we are wasting our life away. Section 4 15 marks. Question 4a. Read the following passage and do the activities. 10 marks. A1. Complete the following sentences from the passage. 2 marks. One, 2, 3, 4. Read passage carefully. Section 4 15 marks. Question number 4 A1. नवीन प्रश्न नवीन पानावर सोडवणे. 1. Kalam earned a degree in aeronautical engineering. 2. DRDO stands for Defense Research and Development Organization. 3. Kalam was project director of the SLV-3, the first satellite launch vehicle. 4. Kalam served as a lecturer at several universities. A2. Complete the wave diagram. 2 marks. Awards that Kalam received during his life. Awards that Kalam received during his life. Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Indira Gandhi Award, Bharat Ratna. A3. Fill in the blanks by using the suitable phrases, words from the bracket. Move to serve as launch autobiography. 2 marks. 1. Mr. Gunaji has a principal in this college. 2. The story of my experiments with the truth is the Mahatma Gandhi. 3. My teacher to England for further studies. 4. ISRO successfully Chandrayaan 3 mission. A3. Mr. Gunaji has served as a principal in this college. 2. The story of my experiments with the truth is the autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi. 3. My teacher moved to England for further studies. 4. ISRO successfully launched Chandrayaan 3 mission. A4. Do as directed. 2 marks. 1. Kalam wrote several books. Frame a WH questions to get the underlined part as an answer. 2. Kalam earned a degree in aeronautical engineering. Begin the sentence with a degree in. A4. 1. What did Kalam write? 2. A degree in aeronautical engineering was earned by Kalam. A5. Who is your role model? Write few lines about him, her. 2 marks. My role model is APJ Abdul Kalam. He earned a degree in aeronautical engineering. Kalam played a leading role in the development of India's missiles. Kalam received many awards. He wrote several books. He was President of India from 2002 to 2007. Kalam served as lecturer at several universities. He was missile man. He motivates me. B. Summary writing. 5 marks. Read the passage given in question number 4A and write a summary of it. Suggest a suitable title to the summary. Question number 4A. Summary. Missile Man of India. India's President APJ Abdul Kalam was a great scientist who developed India's missile and nuclear weapons programs. In ISRO, he was project director of the SLV-3. In DRDO, he planned the program that produced a number of successful missiles. Missile Man remained committed using science and technology to transform India into a developed country. He received the India's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, in 1997. He was icon of Indian youth. पालक, शिक्षक आणि विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इंग्लिश बोर्ड मार्च 2024 सोडवलेली आदर्श उत्तरपत्रिकेचा पुढील भाग अभ्यासासाठी पार्ट 3 चा व्हिडिओ पहा. गुणात्मक वाढीसाठी आपण संपूर्ण व्हिडिओ पाहिल्याबद्दल आपले मनापासून धन्यवाद.